The next time you negotiate anything, a salary, a car, a house, there's one number that decides how much money you walk away with. And it's not the number you'd expect. It's not your target price. It's not their budget. It's whoever speaks first. Most people think negotiating is about being tough or knowing your worth or having leverage. But there's a much simpler force running underneath every single deal you've ever made, and almost nobody uses it on purpose. It's called anchoring, and once you see it, you'll notice it everywhere. In salary offers, in real estate listings, in the price of a coffee at the airport. Anchoring is a mental shortcut where the first number you hear becomes the reference point for everything that follows, even when that number is completely random. Think about that. A regular number with zero connection to the actual question still shifted people's judgment. Now imagine what happens when that first number isn't random, when someone hands it to you on purpose. In one well-known study, real estate agents, professionals who do this for a living, were shown the exact same house. The only thing that changed was the listing price on the sign. Agents who saw a higher listing price valued the house higher. Agents who saw a lower listing price valued it lower. Every single one of them swore the listing price didn't influence their opinion. All of them were wrong. If trained professionals can't escape an anchor sitting on a sign, what chance do you have when someone throws out a number in a salary negotiation, expecting you to react instead of think? Here's where it gets useful. Researchers looked at what happens in real negotiations, buyers and sellers, back and forth, and found that whoever makes the first offer usually ends up with a better final outcome than the person who waits. Not because they had more leverage, not because they were better negotiators, just because they spoke first, and the other side's brain used that number as the starting point for every counteroffer. So here's what this actually means for you. The next time you're negotiating anything, a raise, a freelance rate, the price of a used car, don't wait to hear their number first. Say yours. Even if it feels a little uncomfortable, even if it feels high. Because once that number is out there, it becomes the anchor everyone else has to react to, not the other way around. And if you're the one receiving the offer, now you know why that number feels so reasonable. It's not reasonable, it's just first. Take a breath, ignore the anchor, and go find your own number before you respond. That's the whole trick. It's not about being pushy. It's about understanding that the human brain doesn't evaluate numbers in a vacuum. It evaluates them against whatever it saw first. Say it first, and you control the frame. If this changed how you'll walk into your next negotiation, subscribe. Every week, I break down one psychological trick like this one, backed by real research that you can actually use.